This is the Ikki68 Aurora Round 2, another pretty popular one before the Zoom 65 and the QK65 was released. Kinda thrown aside now, especially with the QK65 hype around, but it's still a pretty beautiful board. This rerun gave us an option to get an aluminium top, which I have mixed feelings about. The aluminium top does make the board look nicer, but it does not contribute to the sound profile at all. I myself actually got the snow version. It comes with a white aluminium top. Really like the looks of it, but it still sounds like a plastic board, but not in a bad way. It's really talky and I would say it's really similar to the KBD67. But with the release of the QK and the Zoom, I don't think this board stands out as much anymore. To me, I think the QK65 and the Zoom 65 really offers more at the entry level price point. All personal preference, okay? I do still love this layout of the Ikki. The badge looks great and the exploded layout is nice. I wouldn't say I regretted getting this Ikki68 because it adds a different design to my collection of 65% keyboards. Here's the sound test of my Ikki68 with radiant red linears.